Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a class reminder for the intermediate class that happened at the Kenn Centre on June the 14th. We did a hatchback, a first move hook spin, a left-handed figure eight, and a sway kick cross down. Links in the description below if you need a more detailed teach of any of the moves. This is just an aid memoir to remember how everything joined together. So we started off with hatchback, so it was right to right, and we went 7 and 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Are 1, 2, and 3. Ready to go back to the hatch flick. Hope you find that helpful. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you to everyone who does that, because it helps promote the channel. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.